Hello everyone, it is Walt here once again, bringing you another one of the 101 ways to be happy on a daily basis. Here we are with part 33 of this series, 33 parts in, basically a third of the way there if you factor it in as, the whole like 33.6 repeating in this case in order to make up the third. No, not 6 repeating, extra third, never mind. Anyway, close to a third of the way there, pretty much. After we pass this part it will be. But what are we talking about today? This one is all about the sunrise. I mixed it up with the last one, as you guys can remember from the last video probably, but anyway, this is, the sunrise. So get up for the sunrise. Okay, should you do this or not? Well, first question, are you a morning person or not? I would estimate that morning people are less than 10% of the people. And I would say that getting up for the sunrise may be a good discipline, but it's not always easy to do. I guess I'm particularly guilty on this one because I've always wanted to get up for the sunrise, but I never make it. I'm somebody who's very much a night owl. I like to do my work up past, midnight, sometimes to 1 to 2 to even 3 in the morning. Some days then I need to be up by either like 6 or 7 and whatnot, so that doesn't really make for a good combo on doing, getting up for the sunrise. But that's just me and my kind of time frame area, whatnot, but maybe you guys can come up with a better way to do that. But clearly getting up for the sunrise, seeing the sunrise is beautiful, seeing that kind of stuff is great, having fun with that, awesome, so if it's something you can do, go ahead and do it, but it's not exactly for everybody. It's also kind of something I want to say about it. But yeah, anyway, that's about it for part 33. I will see you guys next time with part 34, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.